Hi, this is the world's okayest employee. Has there ever been a time for you where you brought some food to work, but just didn't know how to keep your banana voyage fresh until lunch? Well, there's a way. It's called a refrigerator. I know what you're thinking, but Steve, that sounds complicated. Well, it really isn't.
First, locate a large hummy rectangular box, usually found in the kitchenette. Then take your item, label it, and place it in the refrigerator. Close the door, and now it should be safe until lunch.
It's just that simple.